Okay, for today's recipe, we're gonna be making carne guisada. So I have some beef stew here. I have a can of cream of celery. I have taco seasonings. And I have chopped green bell peppers, frozen. I have some water in here, just a little bit. And to this, I'm gonna add some of the cream of celery and some of the taco seasonings. And I'm going to stir this until it's well combined. And those little green pieces are the celery. There you go. This is kind of the consistency you want. Sort of like a gravy. Now I'm gonna use another bowl and put the beef stew in there, and I'll be back. So you can see I have some green bell peppers in here. So I have my green bell peppers. I'm gonna add my beef stew to this bowl. And to this, I'll give this a mix. And get the peppers mixed in. Like this. So I'm adding some of the beef stew and some of the gravy to another bowl, and I'm gonna add some of that cream of celery mix and give that a stir. So I'm gonna heat this up for 3 minutes. And we'll be back. So this is what it looks like. And I just put some bread with it. So let's give this a taste. It tastes really good. It's really good. I did add more spices to it and microwave it for longer because the vegetables were frozen. So I'd say I put a total of 5 minutes in the microwave. But this is really good, and please try this recipe. And if you like it, comment, thumbs up, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time.